So I just literally finished filming the last video, and we just got this email from Nike Park that we got the pair of the Jordan 3 UNCs. So see you guys in MoMA tomorrow, boys. Let's go. Hey guys, starting off the vlog with a sneaker trade. Ito yung pair ko. We have the Air Force 1 Cactus Jack in a size 9, because as you guys all know, I got 2 pairs of this for SRP. So iti-trade natin to, and I'm excited to show you guys kung anong pair yung iti-trade nila for this. So ito guys, iti-trade natin yung Air Force 1 Cactus Jack for his Nike Dunk Low. So ito na guys, we traded the pair for a Nike Dunk Low off-white. So ito, as you guys all know, I already have the green pair and I was looking for the red pair. And luckily, we were able to trade the Travis Scott Cactus Jack Air Force 1s for this pair, the red pair. And yeah, let me know down below in the comments who do you guys think won the trade? Do you guys think the Nike Travis Scott is worth more than the off-white dunks? Or do you think I won the trade? Kasi straight swap lang naman ginawa namin. So ayun guys, let me know down below in the comments. Peace. So I don't recommend eating and driving, pero life hack, you can put your food here sa may signal lights para you can eat your fries while driving. Life hack. Hey guys, so we just got to MOA and we're about to pick up a new pair of sneakers from Nike Park. And yeah, I believe bago na yung ano nila dito. Bago na yung branch, so we'll check it out. Yeah, before we head over to Nike Park, I just wanted to thank August 3 Clothing for sending the shirt over. I'll leave their Instagram down below and make sure to check them out. So yeah guys, on the way to Nike Park MOA. So ito na guys, ito yung bagong branch ng Nike MOA. Let's check it out. Secured the bag. Ito na. So unboxing natin once we get home. Peace. Hey guys, finally back home and yan, nung ginagawa ko yung B-roll na yun, nakatapak pa ako ng chewing gum, so I had to clean my pair ng Storm Blue sneakers. And yeah, papakita ko lang sa inyo guys yung pair na pinakita ko nung nakapag-trade ako kaninang umaga. Ayan. It's just the Nike Dunk Low, because as you guys all know, Nike Dunks are making a comeback this 2020. And this is one of my favorite collabs for this year. Actually, nilabas to December if I'm not mistaken. But this is one of my favorite sneakers. As you guys all know nga, yung green ko, lagi ko suot yun. So, I copped this pair in a trade. So, for me, panalo ako kasi I really like this pair more than the Travis Scott Air Force 1s. So, ayun guys. Now, let's get right into the pair nung pinick up natin sa MOA kanina, Nike Park. So, first off, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung receipt and 9445 SRP. And if you're actually planning on copying a pair, pretty sure it's still available in a lot of stores kasi alam ko pati mga athlete's foot nag-release, first come, first serve. And yun, if you guys really want a pair, make sure to make an effort to go to the stores kasi nga, this pair is actually really nice, but it's a GR, so maraming stocks available. So, ayun guys. Ito yung box. So, I really like what they did with the box. They made the lid in this UNC Carolina blue colorway. So, I really like what they did with that. And, yeah, let's get right into the pair. Here we have it. So here we have the pair. This is called the Jordan 3 UNC. Because if you guys didn't know, itong colorway na to is inspired by a college in the US, UNC. Doon nag-college si Michael Jordan. So ayun, inspired tong colorway sa school niya. And they actually made a player exclusive pair na before. So ayun yung mga binibigay sa mga players ng UNC. And it had the school logo here, UNC. But syempre hindi nila pwede i-release yun sa public. So they made a GR pair. And they put the Jumpman logo right here. Tapos sa likod ng pair, as you guys all know, they are retroing yung may mga Nike Air. But with this particular colorway, they made it the Jordan Air logo. And I'm not really complaining kasi I really like this pair. I really like the colorway. As you guys may all know, favorite color ko is blue. And I really like the tint of powder blue sa pair na to. And yeah, the colorway is really clean. So if you guys are in the market of buying a new pair of sneakers, I'd suggest this pair. Kasi nga, it's easy to get and it really looks nice in person. Tapos, first thing na napansin ko sa pair na to, because I have the Black Cement 3s na nag-release last year, 2019. Yung toe box niya, medyo manipis yung elephant print here as compared to the Jordan 3 release last year. And yung tongue, it's not as high as the previous releases. So, and but yeah, basically wala namang masyadong pinagkaiba. It's just that. And ayun. Again, if you guys are in the market of buying a new pair of sneakers, this is what I suggest you guys to get. Again, this retailed for 9,445 pesos. And if mag-effort kayo pumunta sa mga Nike Park, Titan, and different sneaker stores such as yung mga athlete's foot nga, I'm pretty sure you guys can get this pair for retail. So that's basically it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. And make sure to join their giveaway kasi we're giving away a Travis Scott Reese's Puffs cereal sa previous video. I'll put the video somewhere here on top. And yeah, again, thank you to August 3 Clothing for the shirt. And guys, tingnan nyo yung design sa likod. Solid. Make sure to check out their Instagram. I'll put it down below here again. And yeah, make sure to subscribe to their channel and see you guys in the next time. Peace.